Have you ever wondered what society was like before your lifetime? What changes or transformations do you think our society have undergone? This lesson talks about different types of societies and how they were formed by technological advancement and new knowledge. The different types of societies are a result of the continuous evolution of man brought about by several factors, but more evidently of information and technology. The name pre-industrial societies refers to the different types of societies that existed before the 18th century or before the Industrial Revolution. The pre-industrial societies consist of the following: hunting and gathering society, pastoral society, horticultural society, and agrarian society. Hunting and gathering society is recognized as the earliest and simplest form of society. It is generally characterized by its small size and is composed mainly of families. They are nomadic because they spend most of their time searching for food and thus have no permanent territory. The hierarchy in this type of society is not very varied. Its members are generally treated equally, and decisions are usually arrived at through a consensus. Because of this, the roles of its members in the division of labor is not very clearly defined. Next is the pastoral society. This type of society is characterized by the domestication of animals for food for a more stable and predictable food supply. Pastoral communities have larger populations than hunting and gathering societies and remain longer in one place. In addition, pastoral societies often produce surplus food and resources, which they trade with other societies. This relative prosperity enables the people to engage in other activities apart from those necessary for survival, such as handicrafts. This eventually leads to the emergence of specialized tasks in the community. Next type of society is the horticultural. A horticultural society primarily engages in the small-scale cultivation of plants, fruits, and vegetables, and the domestication of animals. Horticultural societies are semi-nomadic, which means that they travel to another place when they have already depleted the resources in one area. In this society, roles and responsibilities are more clearly defined with many tasks assigned according to gender. Similar to the pastoral society, there is also a surplus of goods, which sometimes leads to inequalities among its members. In early societies, the individuals were very often family and clan-oriented, and their behaviors and actions were restricted by tradition. The assignment of tasks and occupations were often based on gender, with women doing mostly domestic work in home, while the men engaged in hunting and farming. The last pre-industrial society is the agrarian society. This type of society is a further evolution of the pastoral and horticultural societies. Agriculture involves the large-scale and long-term cultivation of crops and domestication of animals. This society is characterized by improved technology and the use of tools to aid in farming. Improved technology and farming methods result in increase of production, giving rise to a growing population in agricultural societies. The large population of agricultural societies leads to a more structured and social system that helps manage resources and its members. The increasingly complex organization and growing importance of territory often results in conflicts among neighboring societies over resources and land. Let's have a recall of what are the types of societies during the pre-industrial period. we have hunting and gathering society, pastoral society, horticultural society, and agrarian society.